Women get all sorts of photographs from men on Instagram, but I consider myself very lucky because the only type of pics that I've got on Instagram are scalp pics and balding patches.
This is What's Your Problem featuring Vasudha Rai.
Hello and welcome back to Be Beautiful and a brand new episode of What's Your Problem. My name is Vasudha Rai and I'm here to break down your most asked beauty and wellness questions with simple, effective and holistic solutions. Today we are talking about hair. So clearly, hair loss is a huge problem in both men and women. And if you think about it, the problem of hair loss has got accelerated in the past few generations, which means that perhaps hair loss isn't so much about aging, and maybe it has something to do with the lifestyles and the environment that we live in today. So before we begin talking about DIYs, I just want to say that if you are facing serious hair loss, it may be a good idea to visit a GP or a nutritionist to figure out if you have any nutritional deficiencies. And if you have problems such as seborrheic dermatitis or dandruff, it is essential to visit a dermatologist to figure out a solution because dermatitis and dandruff can clog your pores, leading to further hair fall. Now let's talk about the DIYs and traditional practices. My favorite has to be hair oiling. Now these days people think that we need to oil our hair because it adds softness, but that is just 5% of the potential that hair oiling holds. Ayurvedic practices are rooted in deep wisdom. According to Ayurved, the human body is like an upside down tree with the head being the roots. When you nourish the roots, you nourish the entire body. This is why if you look at the ingredients of Ayurvedic hair oils, you'll have herbs such as Brahmi, Jatamansi, Bhringraj. All of these are known for their brain boosting, sedative or memory boosting benefits. If for some reason you can't oil your hair, you can still get all the benefits of hair oiling, or at least most of them, by doing a dry massage. In this, you just gently massage your scalp in circular movements in straight lines from the front till the back of your neck. This is where the meridians lie around your scalp. You can also gently pull up your hair and move your scalp, rotate it around. Your scalp is also attached to the muscles of your face. So when you move your scalp in this manner, you loosen the muscles of your face, which are usually very tight because of the expressions that we make, which will lead to smoother skin and healthier hair. If I had to choose just one herb amongst all the herbs that Ayurved has, it has to be Bhringraj. Did you know that small studies have found that Bhringraj extract is as effective as minoxidil in encouraging hair growth? The great news is that it is easy to find Bhringraj in hair oils, and among these, my favorite has to be the Indulekha Bhringa hair oil. It is enriched with Bhringraj along with other herbs such as Avla and Shwetakutuja. This hair oil increases hair density, and I just love its comb-like applicator that delivers just the right amount of oil straight to your scalp. Now is the time for a DIY. What you need is a cup of dry Bhringraj powder with 2 tablespoons each of Avla, Rita and Shikakai. Mix all of this with 2 eggs. If the mixture is too thick, you may add a little bit of yogurt, but that is optional. Mix it well and apply from roots to the tips. Leave it on your hair for about an hour and then wash it off with a very gentle shampoo for beautiful, soft, lustrous hair. Now, if you guys like a fragrant formula, I have a great suggestion for you. The Love Beauty Planet Onion, Black Seed Oil and Patchouli Hair and Scalp Oil is wonderful. It comes in a base of organic coconut oil with onion bulb extract, black seed oil and patchouli. It has a vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free formula that increases density and prevents hair fall. Now, if you are a DIY queen and you have the time on your hands, you can try this super quick DIY hair oil recipe. What you need to do is take about 50 ml of organic coconut oil, gently heat it on an iron wok, and when it's hot, add some fresh hibiscus leaves and fresh hibiscus flowers, a little bit of avla powder, some methi dana, and some curry leaves. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes and pour it into a glass container to use later. So I hope this episode has given you a lot of information and inspiration to reduce the stress in your life and take good care of your hair. If you know someone who is looking for hair remedies or is facing hair loss, please share this episode with them. And of course, subscribe to Be Beautiful for all things beauty and wellness.